right, our existing tub had a leak and I didn't want to live without a bathtub, so we started looking around to see what we could do to replace the tub and decided to remodel the whole bathroom. So I just started looking on Facebook and found Ozark Home Pros. They were a local Springdale company. I really liked that, and all the reviews I read were really good. And when Uriel came to give us an estimate, he did a great job telling us what you could offer, and we loved the idea of the shower and the compressed stone and non-porous, and just felt real comfortable with the company. Oh, we had excellent communication. Laura texted or called when we were setting up our install date, and she kept us posted when the materials were ready, when things came in, and made sure we knew what we had to order when we had to order our vanities and all that extra stuff. And then during the process, Stephen kept us posted on when he would be here for when he and Justin could come work, and then they cleaned up after themselves every day, left everything nice and tidy, and we were able to keep our toilet working through the whole process, so that was lovely. We're highly satisfied and think everything was done to just what we wanted. Love
Awesome.
every bit of it.